Welcome to Image Optimizer. By the end of this video, you'll have optimized all your site images, set automatic optimization on upload, and reviewed all the important settings the plugin offers. Let's get started. Once you install and activate the plugin, click Media Image Optimizer to access the plugin configuration page. Click Connect to connect Image Optimizer to your Elementor account. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see stats about your images. This includes the total size of your images before and after optimization, the number of optimized and unoptimized images, and the number of credits you have left. Click on Optimize All to run the bulk optimization on all your site images. The optimization is done from the bulk optimization menu and runs in the background. Let's quickly go over the rest of the settings. Compression level gives you the chance to choose how much to shrink your images. Less compression means better quality and bigger files, while more compression means smaller files and slightly lower quality. We recommend setting it to lossy. Optimize new uploads automatically optimizes any new images you upload. We highly recommend keeping this on. Resize larger images ensures that any image you upload stays within a manageable size. The default 1920 pixel max size works great. Clear EXIF metadata removes hidden data like when and where the photo was taken, reducing file size and eliminating unnecessary information. Backup original images keeps a copy of the unoptimized version just in case. If you ever need the original, you can easily revert back. Convert images to WebP and AVIF. Both formats offer excellent optimization, but we recommend setting it to AVIF since it's the newer and better format. File optimization. WordPress automatically generates multiple image sizes for every upload. This setting lets you choose which sizes to optimize. Since each size uses a credit, consider disabling any sizes you don't need. The free trial lets you optimize a limited number of images to see how the image optimizer works. If you need more optimizations, click the Upgrade button to select a plan that fits your needs. Image Optimizer works across all your sites, ensuring they stay optimized and perform at their best. Once optimization is complete, return to the dashboard to view the overall size reduction. Go to the library and click on any image to see the overall reduction in size. This is also where you can revert the image back to its original size. That's it, you've successfully set up Image Optimizer on your website. If you encounter any issues, visit our support documentation or contact our support team for assistance. We're here to help ensure your image optimization runs smoothly. Thank you for choosing Image Optimizer.